Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have another try on haul for you. So I was kindly gifted £50 from the company called Wholee. So if you like this kind of video at any time, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to hit that subscribe button, it would really help my channel. So let's get into the video. I was contacted by a company called Wholee and they kindly gifted me £50 to spend on their website. So thank you very much to Wholee for letting me try out their products. So just to tell you a little bit of background about Wholee, they are a zero markup membership store, so you can actually download the app or you can go on the browser on your computer, and if you sign up for their Prime membership, which is really ideal, it obviously gives you a different price, a sort of a markup price where you can buy products directly from the manufacturer. That sort of cuts out the sort of middle area where, you know, you get markups on products. You end up buying them actually at the rock bottom manufacturers' prices, which are really low. Please understand that they are so low. So obviously Wholee as an app, I'll just show you a little bit of a screenshot on the side here, and they obviously show two prices. So obviously the normal price if you don't want to sign up for the Prime membership, but if you do sign up for the Prime membership and it is really cheap, and I'll go through the costs and the prices in a second, you will see a Prime membership price as well. Those are really slashed. The prices are really low. So you can buy a product that's normally like £20, you can probably buy it for like £4, maybe £5. So you're getting a good like over 50% off. So the cost of the Prime membership, which I'll pop on the screen here, is you can either just sign up for the month and you can cancel anytime. So it's 99p, which is an absolute bargain for 1 month, or you can pay £3.99, which will last for 3 months, or if you want to buy a whole year, it is only £15 and you will get your money back in no time at all. But obviously today I have a discount code, so you can actually get 2 months of free Prime membership using the code on the screen. I'll also leave it down listed in the description below, along with all the items that I've purchased today. So yeah, so let's get into everything that I bought. So I actually picked up 8 items for £50. Now they sort of have a standard delivery cost as well, which I think is a flat rate of £2.85. So no matter how much you purchase, you still only pay that one sort of delivery. Yeah, the delivery came within 2 weeks, which is really good, and I want to go through everything with you. So the first item that I actually purchased was this lovely necklace. This for the Prime membership price was 79p. I will pop it on the screen here. I actually think this is currently sold out, but they do have loads of other choices available, but it's actually really nice. I was looking for something that was quite like little rings or coins or something like that, something that was quite delicate, but in gold as well, because I quite like gold at the moment. But yeah, I think that is absolutely lovely, and I'm really happy with it. So 79p, absolute bargain. Yeah, and that was the first item. So next up we have this lovely sweater. It's obviously a real dupe for Gucci. I'm not massively familiar with Gucci or anything that they do, so I don't know whether this sort of logo or anything is specifically Gucci, but obviously it has got Gucci on there. So it's a nice white sort of sweater top. It's good for just like hanging around the house in. I thought this was lovely. It fits really nicely. I got it in a 2XL. You do have to watch the sizes. Just have a look at the sort of sizing guide. Just I'm a size sort of 12-14, so I got it in a 2XL. It fits absolutely perfect. Absolutely love it. It's really good quality, and yeah, I really like it. It's good to sort of just hang around at home in, because obviously we're all in quarantine again. So yeah, I thought that was really nice. Now unfortunately this sweater is currently out of stock at the moment, but there are loads of other choices on there. They have loads and loads of stuff on there to browse through. So I paid £6.75 for this, so absolute bargain. I don't think I've ever bought a sweater so cheap. Yeah, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, that was the second item. Right, next up we have this lovely dress. This is sort of like a sort of midi dress. I think it's more or less to my knees or just past my knees on me. But yeah, it is really, really nice. They do a couple of different colours or different patterns. I picked this one with the sort of red popping like little flowers on there, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, and this was £5.15 in the prime price. If you was to buy this without prime, it would have cost you £12.89. So as you can see straight away, it's way less than half price for this item, and I really, really love it. I'm not sure what size I got this in. It would have been something like a 2XL or something like that, but again, do check the sizing on the app itself. So yeah, I thought this was absolutely lovely. Really, really like it. Yeah, and I thought it was an absolute bargain price. Right, next up is this sort of black and grey shirt dress. Now, I've always wanted a shirt dress. I've been seeing them all over Instagram, and obviously Wholee is really fashionable and really up to date and really on trend with everything. So this actually costs £6.78. Now, if it was to buy this without the prime, then that would have cost around £17.90, which obviously again is almost 20 quid really. And I thought it was really nice. So yeah, I really, really like this. It's in this sort of lovely sort of material. It's not too thick, but it feels really good quality. I'm really happy with it. It looks really, really nice on as well. So yeah, brilliant. I love everything that I've got. Right, next up I thought I'd pick up a top. So this one is absolutely thick quality. Looks really nice. I do love the sort of detailing and the ruffle sleeves. It kind of makes it look very much premium. And I really, really like. The prime price on this was £6.26. So yeah, absolute bargain. But if you was to buy this without prime, it would cost you £16.81. So yeah, you're getting £10 off already. So obviously you can see that the prime membership is like just a no-brainer. But yeah, really, really like this. I love the quality. It's really, really thick sort of quality. I really like it. They did it in a couple of different colours as well. Obviously you'll see them on the screen as we're talking. But I actually quite like this sort of creamy sort of, it's a slightly khaki-ish, I won't lie. It looks kind of cream on camera here, but it is a little bit of a sort of greeny tinge to it, so a bit khaki-ish, but very, very autumnal, obviously. Very in keeping with where we're at the moment. Right, so next up, I thought I would pick up a woolen jacket. Yes, they do have jackets on Wholee. This one's absolutely lovely and it fits really, really nice. It is lined as well, which is amazing. Obviously, I paid the prime price, which was £11.84, guys. £11.84 for a wool jacket with a little button at the front there. Absolutely amazing. Now, they did it in a few different colours as well. I think they did it in a blue, they did it in a red. Obviously, you'll see it on the screen. Now, if you was to buy this without prime, it would cost £29.20. So yeah, prime is the way to go. Yeah, prime is definitely the way to go. So yeah, that was that one. Also, Wholee do bags as well. So I actually picked up this sort of foam bag. Really like this. Now, unfortunately, this one I think is sold out at the minute, but as I say, they have hundreds on there. But I actually picked this one. This is cute. It's kind of a bit of Louis Vuitton dupe, but obviously the sort of logo in here, I think, is that Gucci? I don't know. Bit of a mixed bag there. Inside here, you get a little sort of purse that goes with it as well. I have still left the packing in there to sort of give it some shape. So you've got a little mini purse in there. It'll fit your phone in, and it just looks absolutely cute. And I just love this sort of like gold trim. You have got a little pocket in the back there if you want to put your card in there. Yeah, but I thought that was super nice. So obviously prime prices was £6.19. Now I can't tell you the full price because it's no longer on the website, but it would have been obviously over £10 for that. But I think that quality is absolutely lovely. Right, and last but not least, I did pick up another bag, which is very much Burberry vibes here. Now they did different ones with different sort of trims, which you'll see on the screen. I picked this black one, which I thought was really nice. It also has a long strap as well if you want to use it as a crossbody, but you can just hold the handle. And there is two different sort of closing mechanisms on the front there. If you want to keep it really closed, you can use the second one, or if your bag's quite full, which mine always is, you can use the first one. So you just twist it like that. So there we go, it's locked. And you do have this sort of zip detail if you want to bring it down, if you want to sort of just change the way that it looks, which is really nice. And inside as well, there are a few different compartments, so it's kind of like split into two halves, and there's sort of pockets and whatnot in the middle, which I thought was really good. It does actually zip closed as well, so that isn't, no one's going to get their hands in there. So yeah, I got that as well. So obviously with Prime prices, this was £8.18. If you was to just go and buy it regardless of the Prime membership, it would cost you £20.44. So obviously a really good price for the Prime. So yeah, really happy with that. I think it's absolutely cute. Love everything. So just before I go, that was the last item, but just before I go, I just want to reiterate that obviously Wholee is, they have an app. Download the app. Honestly, use my discount code on the screen. You get 2 months free of the Prime membership. Go and have a shop. Honestly, you'll pick up loads of stuff for 20 quid. Even if you want to spend just 20 quid, you will get loads of items. You'll get at least like maybe 4 items for £20, maybe just less, depending on what you buy, obviously. But if you just wanted to buy tops, you definitely get that for your money. Remember, they are direct with the manufacturer, so there's no sort of middleman. And obviously that means that there's no markup fees, so you're getting it at those rock bottom prices. They are very much on trend as well, so you're going to get all the latest looks, all the latest clothes, all very fashionable. Just check a little bit on the sizing, but they've got a chart there that will help you. Everything that I bought fits absolutely perfect. I haven't had a problem. Everything fits lovely. So just check out the sizing guide and you will be absolutely fine. I'll leave all the info in the description, all the links to the items that I've got. I'll leave the discount code there as well, and all the details to download the app and to the website. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video.